Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Decred coin using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section. And here on the top of the screen, you will see the send, receive, buy, and trade icons. So you can either buy crypto or you can tap on receive. Then it's going to open up the crypto list. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the Decred coin. And if you tap on it, it's going to open up this QR code. And by sending or showing this QR code to anyone, or you can even send it, scan it for yourself if you want to transfer from a different wallet to Trust Wallet, and you can send Decred coin to your Trust Wallet. You can also copy your address by tapping on copy and sending it. And there is a very cool feature, the set amount feature, which is if you tap on it, you can type in a set amount of Decred coin. And if you send this new QR code and new address, you can receive this exact amount, which is a very cool way for transactions or purchases. And you can also share your QR code on social media by tapping on the share icon. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.